a Lambo in a barn, covered in despair. Dust and rust so thick, dreams hanging in the air. Scrubbed away the years, saw a yellow peek through. Dystopian mustard turned into something new. The engine coughed, but I gave it a new song. Every bolt and gasket said you belong. Seats once torn, now stitched with pride. Mildew's gone, I brought it back inside. The wires tangled, a web of despair. Fifth one, then three popped out of nowhere. And then it roared, a lion's mighty growl. 20 years of silence broke with a howl. Now the open road is calling me. Restoration's joy is the ultimate key.